Okay, so I don't even know where to start. Hi guys, morning people. Hey guys. Hi guys, Roxana here with Soil and Margaritas. Woohoo! Congratulations, Roxana. I'm so happy for you.
Congrats! Congratulations, Roxana! Congratulations!
Congratulations! Yay, congratulations, Roxana! Cheers!
Yay, congratulations!
Hey Roxanne, this is Brooke. Congratulations on your 100th episode. Keep up the good work, girl.
Yay, congratulations!
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 There you go. You guys, this is video 100 in my channel. I am so thankful with every single one of you that has been liking, commenting, and just being a support and encouragement for my channel, that I just wanted to make a quick video saying thank you, and this is a huge milestone for me. I honestly did not think that making videos of something that I already love was going to be something that I enjoy as much as I am enjoying it now. But I just want to say thank you again for being here with me, for watching my videos, and for coming back every time I post something about my garden. And to 100 more.